Even if you suffer from a serious long-term condition, there is definitely a way of not falling into despair. If you are a Buddhist, tell yourself, may this sickness purify my past negative actions. May I also take on the suffering of others and go through it in their place. Consider that countless beings are suffering just like you, and pray that your suffering may help to appease theirs. If you do not have the strength to reflect in this way, the simple fact of being aware that you are not alone and that many others are in the same situation will help you to bear your hardship. If you are a Christian and you have faith in God as creator of the universe, comfort yourself by thinking, I have not wanted this suffering, but there must be a reason for it since God in his compassion has given me life. If you do not have any religious faith, you can think that however terrible your misfortune, you are not the only one to suffer in this way. Even if you have no belief, try to imagine above the area of your pain a vivid light that pervades and dissolves your pain, and see if that helps.